Nokia is all set to shake up the market with another spectacular smartphone. If you haven't heard about this phone yet, today's the day to find out, because Nokia's latest beast is packing a 500 megapixel DSLR level camera, a massive 7400 mAh battery, and all of this at an unbelievably affordable price. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Nokia Lumia 520 Ultra 5G, the smartphone that's about to redefine power and performance. If you're as excited as we are and want to grab this monster phone, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because today, we're revealing everything, full leaked specs, pricing, and the official launch date. So, buckle up and let's dive in. Features of Nokia Lumia 520 Ultra 5G. Display. This phone flaunts a huge 6.89-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with a stunning 1.5K resolution. And that's not all. You also get a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass 7 protection, and an in-display fingerprint sensor for next-level security. Camera quality. Now, let's talk about the real showstopper, the camera setup. The Lumia 520 Ultra 5G rocks a triple camera system on the back, headlined by a jaw-dropping 500 megapixel primary lens. Supporting it are a 100 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12 megapixel depth sensor. Selfie lovers, don't worry. Up front, you'll find a 64 megapixel selfie shooter, perfect for crisp, high-res selfies. Processor and OS. Under the hood, this beast runs on the latest Android 16 OS, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, ensuring blazing fast speed and seamless multitasking. Battery life. And here's the kicker, it packs a monster 7400 mAh battery with 120 watts super fast charging. Say goodbye to battery anxiety, because this phone is built to last. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Rumors suggest it'll be priced around $799, which is insane for the specs on offer. As for the launch date, mark your calendars, 2026 is when this powerhouse is expected to hit the shelves.